Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, 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 get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. If this is your first time, what we are is we're boots on the ground. We go to different locations and we find out exactly what's going on. I have a major announcement for you, big time here, out of Las Vegas. The Las Vegas City Council has voted to approve lounges, marijuana lounges. Now that's a big thing. It wouldn't be big if there's rows of Channel 5, Channel 8, Channel 13. You got all these stations here. That's why it's a big thing. Everybody's covering it. For a minute here, hold on 1 second. Let me do some preliminaries here for a second. We're live. Everything is cool. It's all good, my friends. As you know, I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I write books. I'm an author. My books make money online with cannabis stocks. I list over 40 stocks that you can take a look at and put them on your watch list, and you might enjoy them. They've done, some of them have done exceptionally well. Some of them still have time to go. Investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization. As you know, there's legalization going on. Voila. Also in Washington, there are bills there are three hearings today. So there's a lot going on, my friends, with cannabis in America. Promising Medical Marijuana and CBD Treatments is out there. These 3 books should form the nucleus of your cannabis education. My friends, on Amazon.com, you get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. You can get, it's called the Cannabis Education Series. The Cannabis Education Series is out there, my friends. Today, I want to talk to you about this new rule. What it is basically like San Francisco. San Francisco has lounges that you can go partake in, but you can't drink alcohol. This is going to be the same way. They're not going to mix the two. Either you go and say like a big lounge like a Planet 13 or something. You go there, Curaleaf will benefit, MedMen will benefit, Green Thumb Industries, they'll all benefit from this new regulation here that was passed by the City Council. It's going to be a good thing. It's going to be a great thing for this area here. Another revenue source, basically what we're talking about. We're talking about another revenue source for these companies, which is a good thing. And it's a step in the right direction. You know, there are other bills in Congress right now that are being looked at. We'll take a look at them. But it does look like the big news today is coming out of Las Vegas. So we're going to be just like San Francisco. We're going to have the marijuana lounges in San Francisco, in Las Vegas, just like they are in San Francisco, which is a great thing. A couple other books I want to make you aware of. The African Marijuana Gold Mine is out there right now. Richmond Old Soil meets Wall Street. There's a lot going on in Africa right now. As you know, Canopy was over there. They've been purchasing some assets. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farms in the world. Section there. As you know, Italy, Curon Life Sciences. Remember, about 70 cents or so we got into that, and now that's kind of blowing up a little bit. And we've got some other companies I didn't mention. I mentioned a few in my last video. See my last video. You can take a look at those companies also. If it's your first time, we're boots on the ground. We go to these locations. We find out what's going on. I was just inside. Got the vote. Everything is good in Las Vegas. There's going to be some mixing and matching here. You know the deal. There's going to be some, they're going to tweak it here, tweak it there, that kind of deal. But it's gonna get done, and the bill will pass. The bill's passed, and everything is good for everybody here in Vegas. All right. If you take a look on Amazon.com, you can purchase the books. Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow is another one of the books. Helps me out with my gas money, my friends. I did have a call earlier that there is a major CBD delivery to a major chain. Now, before I put that out there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to verify for myself. Okay? So once I verify it, I may get back with you today if it's true. So you may have something for me. I may have something for you later on tonight if it's true. We just might do that. That other company we're waiting for their earnings, we got Planet 13 earnings. You can take a look at that. They hit a home run. We're waiting for another little company out there to get their earnings, and then once they announce their earnings, I'll come back to you also. If that happens today, tomorrow, if it happens next week, I'll be there and give you a report on that particular company. That said, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe, like, share, do all that stuff. I'm trying to grow my channel. You new subscribers, I love you. You that have been with me for a while. You know, when we did the canopy thing at 50, the canopy at under $3. You know, we made our money on Aurora when it was under 50 cents. Well, there's a new breed of stocks out there right now, and stocks like Planet 13, my friends, are leading the way. So with that said, you have a great day. God bless you. Love you, family. Take care of yourself. Until we see you next time, take care. Love you.